Hi friends, we are ready for Unit 4, Week 4, Day 3. This week we have been talking about what? Insects, and we've been talking about how they're alike and how they're different, right? And just what we know about them. And we have learned about several insects so far. And we're going to keep reading about different insects. All right, here we go. Tell me how many sounds you hear in the word. Our first word is sky. Let's go ahead and tap these words out. Sky. Here we go. Sky. How many sounds did you hear in sky? 3. Great job. All right, let's do our next word. Our next word is light. What's the word? Light. Let's tap it. L-I-T. Light. How many sounds did we hear in light? 3. All right, let's do another one. Flight. Let's tap it. F-O-I-T. Flight. How many sounds did we hear in flight? That's right, 4. All right, here's our next word. Pie. Let's tap it. P-I. How many sounds in pie? 2. Only 2 sounds in pie. All right, our next word is tried. Tried. Let's tap it. T-R-I-D. Tried. How many sounds in tried? 4. All right, here's our last word. Fry. What's the word? Fry. Let's tap it. F-R-I. Fry. How many sounds do you hear in fry? We hear 3 sounds in fry. This week we have been talking about long I, and we know that there are different ways to spell long I. You can do I by itself, Y, I-G-H, and I-E. All right, let's get those lion paws out or tiger paws out, and let's tap some words. Are you ready? Here we go. Night, night. I fly. I sigh. Wild, wild. Right. Now, is this right like your right hand? Or I write on a piece of paper? This is like your right hand, or I was right about that answer. All right. Let's see. We are going to tap out some pictures, and we're going to learn how to spell some words. Are you ready? All right. So what are these clothes doing? They are drying. So we're going to say dry. Let's tap out dry. D-R-I. Dry. What's my first sound? D. D. My second sound? What says R? And my last sound? I. What's going to spell I in this word? Y. D-R-Y. Dry. All right. Let's go ahead and do our next word. What is that arrow pointing to? That arrow is pointing to his thigh. Can you point to your thigh? All right, let's tap it. I. Thigh. What says T-H? And what's going to say I in this case? I-G-H. Thigh. So T-H-I-G-H. Thigh. All right, what are these? Those are some of my favorite things to eat. Fry. I like French fries. We're going to spell fry. Let's tap it. F-R-I. Fry. What's my first sound? F. What's my second sound? What says R. My last sound is I. What's going to spell I in this case? Y. F-R-Y. Fry. All right. We're on our last one. Let's see. What is this one? I'm going to go ahead and say sky. Let's do sky because the moon and stars are in the sky. Here we go. Sky. Sky. What's my first sound? What says S? K is my second sound. Okay. And last sound is I. Y. S-K-Y. All right. We are going to read some sentences today. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. Dwight tried to fry 5 eggs. Read it with me again. Dwight tried to fry 5 eggs. Great job. All right, let's read our second sentence. Why did the shy child cry? One more time. Why did the shy child cry? Nice job. Last thing that we need to do before you go and read your stories today is we need to go over our sight words. And this week we made up some actions. Do you remember our actions? All right, I'm going to go out of order and let's see if you can remember them. What's this word? No. Flew. Listen. Caught. Laugh. And were. Nice job. Let's do robot voice as we do our actions and say them. Are you ready? Were. No. Flew. Caught. Listen. Laugh. Nice work. Now, if you're struggling with these sight words still, I would keep practicing reading them at home. You could play memory or you could play Go Fish. All right, until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.